Okay. So, hello.
Hello.
She's the one that did it.
Throwing her under the bus, huh?
Yep. Way under the bus.
Okay. How's your weekend going other than getting locked
It
up?
depends on what you think out here.
Okay.
It's all up to you.
All right. So, yeah, like how you were asking on the phone, like the Slim Jims, like they'll go in through the window.
Right, yeah.
And like right here and try and unlock it that way.
Right.
But you can go in.
Yeah, I see. Because don't they possibly cause damage or something? Break something?
So you can. It's possible, but I've never done it personally.
Right.
Yeah, that should be it.
So how
Let's see. Yep, there we go.